loves, welcome to today's video. Today we are doing a Homegoods shop with me. So I am actually in the parking lot right now, so we're gonna go on in and see what we can find. Hopefully it's a good trip. One tip that I have for you is definitely try and go in the morning time, because that's when their inventory is the best and that's when they put out the most stuff, and that's when you'll find the best things. Right now it's about 11 o'clock in the morning, so you know, they have been open I think for like an hour, which is fine, but I definitely would rather go in the morning rather than in the evening, because you'll find better things. So let's go in and see what we can find. So first off, I walked in and went straight to the decor because I was noticing so many cute things. I saw this little box and fell in love with it. Perfect for keeping remotes, like I've said before, on like a coffee table or jewelry. These decor beads are really popular, something that you can definitely find at RH but are much cheaper at HomeGoods. This guy was kind of cute, not really my style, but he was kind of cute. I love the gold, but sometimes you have to be kind of careful with what kind of gold you pick, because if they're all different colors of gold, it could start to look a little tacky. They had really cute like coffee table baskets. Oh, this guy was so cute, so I actually put this in my basket. I was gonna get him, and then halfway through the store I just realized I have nowhere to put him, but he was really cute. At first I thought this was something like you could actually open, but it wasn't, but it's still cute. Right away I'm spotting the Vogue coffee table book. So cute. Yep, here it is, $19.99. It was actually pretty big, a really good size, but honestly I've been going a little crazy with the coffee table book, so I definitely didn't need one. Looking at the pillows, they had a lot of really great ones, a lot of neutral colors with different prints and different textures, so they had a lot of good choices. Once again, these are here. I think I saw these the last time and I really loved them, but I just don't know where I'd put them. Already Halloween stuff. I cannot believe it's already almost fall and Halloween. Wow, once again, running into these bowls and these plates, I figured it was just a sign. I had to get it. $8 for this was actually a really great price. I could not help but look at the baskets. This was actually a really great price, $24.99. They had a lot of great ones. You can never go wrong with a good basket. They're practical and they look really cute in any room. I love them so much. I have probably like 3 baskets in each room. This was so cute. I almost bought this. It was a little gold mirror tray. Perfect if you want to set it on top of a dresser and store your perfumes or your jewelry. Of course, I had to come to the lamps. These are like my favorite, and I've been searching for lamps for months and months. This brand is Rachel Zoe. I fell in love with these. These were so cute. This living room lamp was really cute. I believe it was $99, but It was very, very cute. I just love gold. This is totally something that you could find at RH as well. $29.99 is not bad. It would look really nice in like an office or on a nightstand. I really love this. These are totally RH lamps, that kind of style, and it was really cute how they had the wireless charger pads on them. I almost bought these, but this one is really cute. I think in the right space it would look good, but I just didn't know where I would put it. This abstract art is really nice, $49.99, totally something you could see at RH. They actually had a lot of good mirrors. I was surprised. The black with the gold would look really nice in like a hall. I fell in love with these chairs. I love the gray with like the gold legs. Those are really, really nice and great quality too. I wanted to get this so bad. I just love the light gray with like that hint of gold at the bottom. This lamp was totally something that I just wish I could have gotten it, but $299. A little out of my price range for a lamp. Of course, I had to look at the crystals and all the geodes. A lot of good ones, a lot of really cute candle holders. I love this bright purple one over here. This one is really pretty. $16.99. So if you've been following my last Homegoods videos, you know I've been looking for a salt lamp, but those ones were just ginormous, a little bit too big for what I was looking for. A lot of really cute candle holders. Alright everybody, we are back home. So I'm going to show you guys what I got and show you the prices on everything in case you're interested and in case you could find it at your Homegoods. So first thing I got, so I got this actually for our bathroom cabinet. That way I could put it in there and put stuff underneath and on top so we could have a little bit more space. But I think you could use this for anything, spices or your dishes. And this is $4.99. So there is that. And then I got a bigger one for our pantry. That way we could put canned goods and stuff and then over it. And this one is also $4.99. Which I don't know how they were the same price because this one is twice as big, but it's a pretty good price. If you saw one of my last Homegoods videos, you saw that I found those beautiful plates and I got 2 of them. So I found these bowls and there was only, I think like a few actual like bowls left. So I figured it was meant to be. So I got 2 of these bowls. They're this really pretty taupe color with like the gold trim. I absolutely love the plate. So next I got a candle because I feel like I just can't go to Homegoods without getting a candle. And of course I got it in the peony and rosebud scent. And this thing is huge and it's only $12.99. Oh, it smells so good. It smells like fresh flowers. Next thing I got is this gorgeous vase. I love this so much. I don't know where I'm gonna put it, but I'm just obsessed with it. It has this really cute design and it's like neutral colors. So I really love it. And this was actually $16.99. So that's a really good deal because this is like pretty big. So got that. I'm so excited about this. I am just in love with the colors. As you can see, it's like this kind of terracotta and cream color, and then even the bottom of it, it just is this beautiful stone container, and it's such great quality. I'm going to use this. I'm going to put it on my bathroom counter, and I'm going to use it to put like all my jewelry that I wear every single day in. And oh my god, it's like glass, stone, I don't know exactly what the material is, but I'm so in love. And this was only $14.99. I don't know, I just think that is such a great deal for this. It looks like it's just stunning. I am so excited about it. I just could not pass these up. I've been looking for pillows for such a long time, and I finally found some. I'm just so in love. They're this beautiful, like woven material. Oh my god, I almost got lipstick on it. But it's like this brown color and cream, and oh my god, such good quality. And I think it says Devi Designs. So I've never heard of that brand, but very good quality. And these were $19.99 each, and they're pretty big. So I'm really excited about these. I saved the best for last. Okay, I saw these and I just could not pass these up. They reminded me of lamps that you see at like Pottery Barn or Restoration Hardware. Oh my god. Okay, can we just have a moment for these? These are so beautiful. I love that they have like the clear wires, so that way they're kind of hidden. But the brand is Rachel Zoe. I think these are originally $85, but they are $60 at Homegoods. I'm just obsessed with like this like stone material, kind of like a marbly material, to be honest. Comment down below and correct me, because I don't even know what kind of rock this is, but these are so freaking heavy. I have 2 of them, and it was just meant to be. If you see a set of 2 lamps, you just have to do it, because there is no way these were going to be there tomorrow. Someone was definitely going to snag these up, and it was me. So I'm so excited about these. And Dixie's under the bed. She loves to go under there. So I just had to throw this in here because I'm so excited about this lamp. But I didn't know that just the base lights up by itself, and then you could do the whole thing, both the base and the top. Oh my god, or just the top. So I just had to show you how cool this lamp was. That is it for Homegoods. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe and make sure to like this video, and we'll see you in the next one.